Amnesia versus Taboo Relationship.
Oh God.
They're both really bad.
They're both so. I hate the amnesia trope.
I do
so
too. For some reason,
much.
I thought you were gonna like it. I wasn't sure. Right after the amnesia happens, it's literally like I'm starting from square one, but I'm patient. And I'm like, I don't want to start from square one.
It kind of feels like a cop out. Like, oh, we just want to do over just because, you know what? I didn't love how I did it the first time. Watch me make them fall in love again.
So taboo relationships, what would that entail?
Taboo relationships would be like Credence by Penelope Douglas, where, you know, she loses her parents and then her Theo calls her up and is like, hey, mija.
You ever seen a montaña?
You ever seen a mountain girl? And, you know, basically adopts her. Doesn't actually adopt her, but just has her live with him. And then she ends up falling in love with the cousins
And the uncle.
That's disgusting.